Welcome to Sumita Roy's English Classroom. I'm Professor Sumita Roy. For beginners, we've already had videos on language drills, noun and verb, then we had conversation and some detailed discussion about nouns. After this, we need to have a practice test. Today's video is on that practice test for beginners. You can see in this slide that there are 4 columns in the table, and these columns, when you put the words in the columns together, you can make complete sentences. Beginners have been asking for complete sentences which are simple. Here are very simple sentences. And the test which we have today is you have to make at least 50 sentences, 50 sentences, using the words which are given in the 4 columns. You have to put the words in the 4 columns together in different combinations so that you get 50 simple, complete sentences. This will give you much practice in the use of English. Then when you have made the 50 sentences, write them out and read them aloud. You would have got practice for writing and speaking and reading all through this exercise. Now look at the first column. The first column has 3 choices. One is the child, the next is the villagers, and the third is the women. In the second column, we have went as one choice, go as one choice, will go as the third choice, and goes as the fourth choice. In the third column also, we have 4 choices. To collect is the first choice, to gather is the second choice, to fill is the third choice, to drink, fourth choice. Now we move to the last column. The choices are 4 again. You have money as one word, wood next one, water third one, and flowers fourth one. When you have made each sentence, you must not forget to put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Each of the sentences should have a full stop at the end. Don't forget that. Here in the column, you will not find the full stop because I have given you the words to use while making sentences. You have to make grammatically correct sentences. Of course, since it is beginner's level, I have given it in an order which is very simple to combine together. You should have no difficulties. But when you look at the number 50, you might feel worried. But don't worry. Periodically, we will have tests for everybody. Today it is beginner's test. Later it will be a test for mid-level and advanced. Then after doing some more videos on lessons in grammar or pronunciation or punctuation or spelling, we have some more tests. You must be ready to take these tests. The answers will be given to this test only after a couple of days. You have to spend the 2 days answering the test. I know all of you are very busy. You might be working or you might be studying. You might have other occupation. So you don't have time to devote to the videos all the time. Take an hour or so every day. Watch the earlier videos, and then in that 1 hour on one particular day, you can write the answers to this test. 50 sentences. If you take 1 minute per sentence also, it is less than an hour. So get ready to take the test. I wish you all the best.